looking at the code. Started out here with you set up the database connection, the user and password set to a variable. Got my conditional to see if there's a post, and if there is, to take all of that user input and right here do the statement, insert it into the fruits database. The HTML, we've got links to use Bootstrap again for the form. We got two inputs, one for the fruit name, one for the fruit color. Made sure to put that here and here so that it can connect to the database. My submit button, I also did, just like in the example, set everything into a table so that when everything's printed out, it'll all go into a nicely formatted table. And then here's the second portion of the PHP. Sorry. We're going to select from the fruits, but the fruit ID ascendingly, and then we're going to print all of that out into the table. I also did the delete. Again, set up the connection to the database. I tried to put some comments in here, but apparently the issue I was having with some white space apparently caused this not to work properly. So I had to fix that. Okay. Here, set up the connection to the database, get the fruit ID using the get method, and then I'm going to delete from the fruits table where the fruit ID is the fruit ID, execute that statement, and then the header brings us back to the original page. And then, of course, added lots and lots of CSS to make it look nice and neat. So let's take a look at the page itself. Go to Firefox here. This is the page. As you can see, I've played around with it a lot with the delete, and all the fruit IDs are going from smallest to largest. See, I can add a fruit here. Let's see, let's add raspberry, and they are red. Enter the fruit, and there it is. And then to show you how the delete works, go to delete, and here I'm brought back to the page, and as you can see, raspberry is gone. Let's go back to the code, and the fruit.php, delete fruits. The link, I had to set, basically the file name for delete fruits, and then the ID equals, and then the fruit ID, and that's where in here get that ID and remove it from the fruits. So that is my project. I hope you enjoyed.